This 1930 Studebaker was used as a wrecker by Marcus Motors in Denver, Colorado. Marcus Motors was the largest Studebaker dealer west of the Mississippi. A couple of guys found this in a field somewhere in Colorado and decided to restore it. After they spent several years restoring it, they donated it to the Studebaker Museum. They donated the truck to a truck museum in Mason City, Iowa, and when it closed, it was donated to us. The oval headlights are pretty stylish for a truck. There's also a crank-out window for air conditioning. There's a horn and a siren. The light in back for the hand-crank wrecker, well, that was probably added later. Studebaker was an old company going back to the 1850s in South Bend, Indiana. They started out building wagons. They built Conestoga wagons. Then they started building cars and trucks. They were a very big company. They provided trucks for the military in World War II. They narrowly survived the Depression in the 30s. Then they merged with Packard in the 50s, but they closed in 1963. There is no bigger fan of a brand than a Studebaker person.